Hi, my name is Danae and I'm the marketing manager here at IComm. Welcome to our YouTube channel. The goal of our channel is to educate people on the power of moving to the modern workplace and how to embrace technology to better empower your teams to collaborate more effectively. We're going to be sharing things like case studies about our clients, change management discussions, tutorials and tips about the solutions we deploy, global partners information like from Microsoft and Poly and Jabra and Zoom, and profiles of the good people here at IComm. Our intention is to help you make informed decisions about your communications journey and essentially help you bring your communications to life. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button wherever it is up top. And if you aren't already following us on social media, all the links to our social pages are up top as well. LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, whichever platform is your poison. Follow us there. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.